Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Okay, so tangkang ko. Ponsi. Delmo. Okay, where are the rest?
Wait lang po.
So I'm expecting 6 students. Okay, so one more. Leah Magdaloyo. Tangkang ko. Class, pag maputol tayo class ha, you just wait. Tapos check your announcement in the BBL ha. Kasi limited lang to 40 minutes lang to. So maputol, I will open again another room to continue. Okay, so one more is, sino pa yung isa? Si Delmo, Renz, Cristil, Leah. So kulang pa ng isa. Recording this. Okay, so last time we discussed about sets. So tonight we are going to discuss set operations. Okay? Alright, so for the set operations class, the set theoretic operations allow us to build new sets out of old sets. Now, for example, if you are given two sets like set A and set B, then the set theoretic operators are the following. So ito yung mga set theoretic operators class. So we have what we call union. Okay? Parang U yung symbol niya, enclosed with a parenthesis. And we have intersection. Yung symbol ng intersection, baliktad lang ng it's just like a cup put upside down. And then difference, the minus sign, difference. And we have the complement, the line, quoted line. Okay, for example, we're given a sets like A, B, that is read as A union B. The other one is A intersection B. And next is A minus B. And the last one is A complement, or complement of A. Okay? Next, we have details of the first operators. This is the union. So in this case, elements in at least one of the two sets, elements in at least one of the two sets, so yun tinatawag nating union. Okay, so for example, we have this A union B is a set that contains X such that X is an element of A, or X such element of B. Now, in the Venn diagram, so ito yung illustration in the Venn diagram class. So you see here in the Venn diagram, ito yung universal U. Okay, so inside the universal set we have A and B, and then the two sets are, they have a part that is common, union of A and B. So this part here, so I just want to emphasize this one class before we go to the intersection. A union B equals, it contains element X such that X is an element of A,
Or.
X an element of B. Okay, so that's for the union. Now for the intersection, so ngayon ma-distinguish mo na tong dalawa, union and intersection. So for the intersection, elements in exactly one of the two sets. So mathematically, we have A intersection B contains an element X such that X is an element of A,
And.
an element of B. Pero makikita nyo yan, class, dito sa illustration natin. So look at this. So from this illustration, dito sila nag-intersect. So from the definition, for the intersection, elements in exactly one of the two sets. So ito yon, exactly one of the two sets. So ano yan? An or or? So you know already, ah. So yung an or no sa intersection and union. Okay, so next we have an example to perform the operations. So we have here 1, 2, 3 inside a set in union with 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer, class, using the operation union? So that will help solve the problem for the symbol, either yung symbol and ba yun siya or. So from this, from the answer of this, you will determine the correct answer. So what is the, after the operations, what is the result? Huh? How about number 2? Number 1, what is your answer for number 1, class? If you union the set that contains 1, 2, 3 and the sets contains 3, 4, 5, what's the result?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So anong ginawa natin? Pinagsama. Okay? So ano yung symbol na yon? Yung sa union kanina? How about number 2? What is your answer for number 2?
4.
Okay, and then we have some exercises, as I mentioned to you. So be ready, how when I call your name, be ready to answer. Andem there?
Yes, sir.
Delmo.
Yes, sir.
Sino pa yung nandyan?
Magdaluyo po.
Magdaluyo.
Ilaga.
Sino? Si Ilaga? Ilagan? Ilaga?
Ilaga po.
Sino pa?
Ponce.
Si Ponce. Then, one more. Sino pa yung isa dyan?
Ako po, sir.
Ha?
Tangko po.
Teka, putol-putol. Sino yun?
Tangka po, sir.
Tangkang ko. Okay, so be ready. Before we proceed to the next topic, I'd like to check if you're really studying your lesson. So if I ask you a question, you are given only 10 seconds. And if you can give your answer correctly, then you will earn a point. Or you will earn some points. Okay? Is that clear? Alright, so be ready, class. I will scan these materials quickly and then see if you can answer the questions. Alright, Andem. So as you can see from the screen, we have set O contains an element X such that X is odd and X is less than 10. So what are the elements of the sets and them? You have 10 seconds to answer. Sorry?
Ano po? 3, 5, 7.
Again? So don't
Yung
in-
element po ng O,
Yes.
ba?
Yes, what are the elements?
So yun naman po ng element O na di ba yung X, Y dapat odd number. So 3, 5, tsaka 7.
Oh, I'll give you a chance to check your answer. Don't interrupt others. I'm asking and them. What is your answer? So you have another chance. What's your answer? Describe the answer.
Wait lang, sir. May lang gugulo po. Teka lang po.
As I said, you have only 10 seconds. Okay, next, Dilmo. Are you ready, Dilmo?
Sir.
Okay, so for the next set is contains element X such that X is a rational number. So what are the numbers? So what are the elements?
Sir, rational now.
Yes, what are
The
the
elements
found
in Q is rational numbers such as 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, and so on. We could put ellipses there. All the possible rational numbers in a numbers.
Okay, so be ready ha everyone ha. Today I will ask you 2 questions only. One question is equivalent to 50 points. So you'll have 100 points if you get the 2 questions. Okay, next Magdaloyo, be ready Magdaloyo. Magdaloyo, are you ready?
Opo, sir.
Okay, so what's your answer here in the first question? Write the set of integers greater than -4 but less than 59 using roster method.
X is equal to open brace -4, comma, -3, comma, -2, comma, ellipsis, comma, 59, close brace po.
Less than 59. Okay, again, I'll give you another.
58 lang po.
Okay, 5 seconds.
X is equal to open brace -4, comma, -3, comma, ellipsis, comma, 58, close brace.
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, next, Ilagan, are you ready?
Hello, sir.
So Ilagan, number 3. Write the set in a set builder notation form. You have 10 seconds.
A is equals to open brace X such that X is divisible by 3 and less than 16.
Okay. So Ilagan yan ha, Ilagan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Tangkangko. Tangkangko.
Sir.
Okay, so number 4. You have 10 seconds. Number 4.
Wait.
Sir, open bracket, focus.
Come again, hindi kita marinig. Ulitin mo.
Sir, open bracket, then 1, 4, 9, 16. Then bracket.
Are you sure? I'll give you another chance. Okay, another 5 seconds. So again.
Wait lang, sir. 2, open bracket, then 11, 13.
Ang ingay, hindi kita marinig.
Sir, di po akin yun.
Paki-stop mo na yung sino maingay dyan. Mute mo na yung phone nyo. So again.
Open bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, then close bracket, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, Ponsi. Are you ready, Ponsi?
Yes po.
Okay, number 5. You have 10 seconds.
The set of elements x such that x is a natural number and x is equal to 10n for n is equal.
Alright, we have here we let set A set that contains x such that x is a positive integer less than or equal to 8, and set B is a set that contains x such that x is a positive even integer less than 10, and set C contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now the questions are the following. You need to answer here true or false. Andem still around?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Andem, question number 1, is A subset of A?
Wait lang, sir. True po.
Okay, so why is it that it's true? So you got it from the theorem, right?
Opo, sir.
Okay, how about C? Andem again.
Pa?
Andem. Number 2, is C is a subset of A?
Check dito pa. Sir, hindi po, sir.
Why?
Kasi yung 10 po ay hindi naman po pasok dun sa subset ng ay sa element na sinatukoy ng A na x is such that x is a positive integer or less than or equal to 8.
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so we have Tangkangko. Number 3. Is B a subset of C? True or false?
Wait lang.
Number 3. Is B a subset of C?
True po, sir.
True or false?
True po.
True or false?
True, sir.
True, okay. How about Ilagan? Number 4. A is not a subset of B.
Sir,
Is it true or false?
False, sir.
Are you sure? Why is it false?
True, sir. True.
Oh, because you are.
Nakasab.
So what's the reason?
Sir. Kasi tipo subset ng kasi po yung mga numbers na
What?
hindi po bilang set. Yung mga odd numbers po hindi po bilang set. Odd integers.
So the answer is true or false?
True.
Okay. Alright, so we have a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram are used for illustrating set theoretic relationships. Now starts with a rectangle and let the points in the rectangle represent the elements of a universal set. Okay? You get it? And then we have here some example. So we have here the universe U inside the rectangle, and everything here inside the rectangle we have A, B, and C, right? Now, question: is B a proper subset of U? True or false? Magdaluyo.
True po.
Why? What's your reason?
Kasi po yung set po na B naka-contain po siya dun sa pinaka-set po na U.
Okay. An element of U, is it equal to element of B?
Ako pa rin po, sir.
So your answer is true or false?
True po.
Okay, Delmo, number 2. Is C a proper subset of B? Delmo? Is Delmo still around? Class, after this, go back tayo doon sa BBL, ha? I'll check your attendance again. Okay, so try to explore this class, no? I just want to finish this quickly. So we have here some exercises based on that Venn diagram. So tingnan nyo na lang yun, class, and then recall the principle of.
Opo.
Okay, so we have here some exercises. Try to answer them, class, perhaps in our quiz number 1. So baka magkamukha lang nito. So try to study them. Okay, so that ends our lesson for tonight. And I'll just post the video perhaps tomorrow, no? Tomorrow siguro. I'll summarize what we have discussed today, and tomorrow I will post it, and then kindly check, no, the attendance if your name is present or not. Kung present kayo tapos wala kayo, so there's no problem. Pero pag nandyan kayo, absent kayo, that's a problem. Right? So you have to tell me the discrepancy. Okay? So class, let's go back to the BBL collaborate room. Alright, Andem.
Yes.
Okay. Delmo. Magdaluyo. Ilagan.
Sir, wait lang po, sir. Nag-open pa lang.
Okay. Ponsi. Tangkangko.
Ano ba tama po?
So class, I already uploaded some of the materials. Please kindly study them. Okay? Parang hindi kayo matambakan. You study in advance. Just hold on, hold on. Andem, answer and then type your name.
Present, sir.
Okay, type your name, please. On the screen. Sa
Bibel po dito.
Bibil. Okay, Delmo. Okay. Ilagan. Magdaloyo. Nasaan na si Magdaloyo? Magdaloyo, are you still there? So absent si Magdaloyo, ha? So hindi pala yan si Magdaloyo kanina. Ponsi.
Ano lang.
Tangkangko. Okay, so Magdaloyo.
Disconnect lang po ata. Disconnect po ata.
Okay, class. Thank you very much, class. Please kindly watch the video na i-upload ko para ma-review nyo yung lessons natin. Then if you have some questions or comments, you just leave your message there. Okay?